lighting and ceiling, full ceiling. Like this one already done, the double door, sliding door. Okay, tip of the day guys. Why is it that mostly supermarket has double doors? You know what is the secret? When hot air, when you enter here actually, there is a hot air. Even if there is a air curtain, we have to ensure that in the second door, there is no hot air will go inside. Assuming you are a cashier here, then most of the time you will receive hot air. Without this double door, you will suffer a lot. But because of that strategy, everything happy.